Hey, everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan. It's the 30th of May, 2018. And I want to take a look at some predictions that are being made out there. I want to not only look at the uh, predictions of the Bitcoin price, but who is it that's saying these types of prices are on the way. So the first person yesterday is Nicolas Merton. Nicolas runs the Data Dash site. I'm sure if you're on YouTube, you are aware of his site because he is arguably the most popular and well followed cryptocurrency analyst out there. He's young, but he's got a really good sense for the financials, and he is a good technical analyst. So I think if you're not following Nicolas, go ahead and give it some time because very often I think you'll find it's worth it. So he has claimed that Bitcoin is going to hit 50,000 US dollars by year end. And I made just some notes from his uh, video this morning. He believes that there are four reasons that back his prediction. He believes that the interest rates will continue to increase, which will have this effect on the price. Deutsche Bank will attract bankruptcy in 2018. Number three, he believes that the stocks and housing prices will take a big blow. And four, with trillions of dollars to go out, he thinks the SEC will become a Bitcoin ETF, which is also known as a stock exchange fund. So I just, I'm not sure, Nicolas, if you're right on, but I really give you credit for putting your neck out on the line, and yeah, just keep up the good work. All right, let's take a look at another prediction. So the BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes, he also says that he believes that $50,000 is the Bitcoin price target by the end of the year. Well, he is knee deep in the space, and as a co-founder of this exchange, he no doubt has his finger on the pulse. So I'll put his article into the comment section. He makes some very good points. So please, CNBC just had him on just a few days ago, and he has uh, been able to make this public announcement with great conviction. All right, let's look at another prediction. Llew Claasen, he believes that Bitcoin will hit 40,000 and 90% of the cryptocurrencies will fall. So this is a statement he made yesterday. And Llew Claasen is an executive director of Bitcoin Foundation. It's one of the oldest advocates for Bitcoin, and according to him, most of the cryptocurrency projects will actually turn out to be scams. Well, gosh, I really don't like that word scam, although I know there are some scams with 1,600 coins that are out there on the market being traded. I know not all of them are on the up and up, but I think the majority of them are people who are really just truly optimistic, serial entrepreneurs, really trying to make a change in this space, but probably just not realistic as to what they can achieve and within the time frame. So, in the dot-com bubble, we had a high failure rate, and it was due to the investors losing faith because people weren't hitting their milestones in terms of financials. And I don't think they were scams. I think people were just over optimistic as to what they could achieve within that period. And yeah, I just don't want to be too critical on all of the coins out there because 90% may fail, but I don't think 90% of them are scams. All right, let's take a look at who Llew is. So Llew is the executive director of the Bitcoin Foundation, which is the largest and oldest Bitcoin advocacy organization globally, incorporated in Washington, D.C. Yeah, the board members are, there's some really high profile people that are surrounding him. And I think that Llew is definitely another person we need to pay attention to. All right. And then we can find that here is a story that just broke yesterday, that another person who analyzes Bitcoin explains why 32,000 is the minimum price target before January 2019. So this is another article, and the most important is, let me just tell you why this is Fakhan's article, and we'll take a look at who Fakhan is in a second. But he believes the above chart demonstrates this analysis and comprises of two types of Bitcoin rallies, Rally X and Rally Y. And the former comprises of a period of 12 months and is an extended rally, whereas the later one comprises of 6.5 months and is a condensed rally. So interestingly enough, Bitcoin has made these rallies in an alternating sequence each time with more vigor and zeal than before. So he's using the history and then has broken these this price action into these Rally X and Rally Y. And he believes that, he says around October 2015, when the RSI levels touched the yellow resistance line, recording it a 368 price rally. It's pertinent to note that that every rally demonstrated above peaks when the RSI touches the yellow resistance line. Similarly, the price reaches a bottom when the RSI hits lower yellow support line. So BTC records a 128% increase in the form of a Rally Y in 6 months. And from January to July 2016, it is then followed by a Rally X that records a 538% increase during that 12-month period from July 2016 to July 2017. So another Rally Y follows after that with a 1,022% increase in the duration of 6 months from July 2017 to July 2018, then followed by another Rally X, which has been during January 2018 and is expected to complete by January 2019. So I think that this is interesting. So he's using past price action to make predictions for the future. I will put Fakhan's article in the comment section too as well, and you can even review it again. So who is Fakhan? So Fakhan works at, he is a in-house analysis at the Crypto Daily, and his publications refer to true analysis of the market trends and pattern. His experience in the blockchain industry has seen him invest in multiple blockchain projects since 2016, and he is now the managing partner at Ventrella. So he is another guy who really has a strong interest in this space and has been following closely, and you just have to pay attention to these kind of guys. All right, now I want to cover something that I found that I think you're going to really enjoy. This young man is Jacob Pouncey, and Jacob is with Saxo Bank in Denmark. They are I just made some notes here. They're an investment bank specializing in online trading and investment, and it was founded as a brokerage firm in 1992. Saxo offers trading through its online platforms in Forex, stocks, CFDs, futures, funds, bonds, and future spreads. So they are headquartered in Copenhagen, and they have offices in London, Paris, Zurich, Dubai, Singapore, and Tokyo. And they claim to have clients in 180 countries and a daily average turnover of approximately, wow, 12 billion. That's nothing to sneeze at. So when we take a look at Jacob's writing, he is one of the 9 contributors to Saxo Bank's Q2 2018 outlook. And I think all of the stories actually are fabulous. But Jacob is this cryptocurrency analysis. So I went specifically to go see what it is that he is focusing in on. And here is the actual PDF that you can review, because I'm going to put it down in the comment section. And Jacob's article is at the bottom here. And let's see if I can find, here we go. Here are cryptocurrencies entering a new cycle. So this is interesting. He says that basically globally there's going to be a pullback in equity markets, and this is going to really push financial institutions to look for alternative assets to hedge their portfolios. And then he also cites that the geopolitical tensions, if they are on the rise, it is favorable for cryptocurrencies. He says that if you look at the history, that after Brexit, cryptocurrencies had a surge in price. After Trump was elected, cryptocurrencies had a surge in price. And after the North Korean missile test, that we had a surge in price. And geopolitically, we never know what the black swan is going to be. I mean, it looks like Italy has a little bit of a problem now, but no doubt we've got also some instability with Trump and North Korea yet, trying to come up with some sort of agreement between the two countries. But I just know that these geopolitical tensions just raise their heads all the time. And so if we have another big tension, this, according to Jacob, is going to be a factor that makes the Bitcoin price increase. And he says also that he believes that the favorable regulations which are coming will provide investor protections and allow more institutional capital to come in. And these three will create a springboard that for Q2, it's really going to set an indicator for how the rest of the year shapes up. So I'm going to put this PDF in the comment section below. I think these are, I know that a lot of you don't like bankers, but I can tell you that this is a collection of some very smart people with some very good outlooks. And I would say that all 9 of them are worth your read. Okay, everybody, that's all I have. I just wanted to kind of look at the Bitcoin price predictions out there today. I will for sure be talking to you soon. Please give me a like if you think this content helps you at all. And I hope to be talking to you soon. All righty. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye for now.